Hello, Dub World family. Today is Christmas Day 2022, and I wanted to share with you some images of Herbie over the years. I always decorated the car for Christmas, and as you can see in this photo here, generally with a couple of strands of lights. Always did a Christmas themed photo to give out to family and friends. And for years, we used to do a parade with other Volkswagens every year for Christmas. Sadly, the parade is not something we do anymore, but I decided this year I was going to go all out with the lights for the first time ever. So I wanted to take you along for that journey and also show you some of the amazing neighborhoods that we got to drive through. So this year I ordered some micro RGB lights, very small, very thin string, very easy to work with as far as contours to the body. I did have to use tape to put it on, but again, it was nice to work with. I'm used to larger, thicker strands. This was a huge roll of wires. As you can see here, I'm almost done with the car, and look how much is left over. I ended up having a lot of leftovers. Sometimes it got tangled up like this, which made it a little difficult, but in the end, it wasn't too bad. So the photos that I'm showing you right now are kind of in progress before I was done. Just kept adding lights, and it was interesting trying to figure out how to use one strand and go across everything and make the doors open, the hood, and the deck lid. So it was a little bit of an engineering challenge, but I think you can agree, look how it turned out. Simply amazing. It was so much fun taking Herbie out through various neighborhoods, people wanting to take pictures and video, and just brought so many smiles. And that's what it's all about. That's part of the VW hobby, is just getting out there and bringing smiles to the people. Herbie does that twofold, and then when you add lights, it just ramps it up. But it was a lot of fun, and I definitely plan on doing this again next year. But if you're ready to go for a ride and see some amazing lights, let's go.